Welcome on board the Sunseeker Predator 80. Just to show you quickly from this aft cockpit area, we start off with a double electric grill to starboard side. On port side we have a wet bar with ice maker, cooling box, and here we have a sink as well. As you move into the saloon area, you can see we have plenty of seating space here for 8 to 10 people comfortably. Lots of natural light coming into this area through the sunroof and retractable sliding roof in this area. To the front we have this helm station with 3 large Sunrad displays. As you can see, also with CCTV monitoring. To the port side we have the dining area, and we have this retractable 55-inch TV as well. Okay, moving forward, we go down the stairs. As you come down, you can see again the light wood color brings in plenty of light, which is assisted by this skylight in the corridor area. Then we progress into the VIP. Here you can see a large double bed. Again, lots of natural light coming in. This area has its own mini bureau down there. Plenty of cupboard space. Each cabin is a Harman Kardon surround sound system, together with a TV, which is located on the opposite side. Okay, the VIP cabin also is fitted with an ensuite heads. As we come back, this boat arrangement is with 4 cabins. So on the starboard side we have the twin cabin side to side. This is also en suite. It shares the day heads with the cabin. Okay, and then we progress down to the master cabin, which is the signature of this boat. Again, plenty of space. The light oakwood really brings in a bit of light into this area. We have some nice walk-in cabin to the starboard side. And this is the ensuite bathroom. You can see again, very spacious. This also isolates the engine room from the master cabin, so it blocks off a bit of sound. As you come down the stairs from the saloon, you enter into the galley, which has been fitted with a sliding door, which can close off this compartment. This galley configuration is the extended version. Normally the galley would stop here, and they've added this countertop and cupboard space. The galley is also fitted with a 4-ring ceramic hob. We have the microwave convection oven. We have an extra microwave over there. Over here we have the dishwasher. And next to it we have 300-liter fridge-freezer combination. Now just this extra space, they've had to make a slight compromise, which is in this cabin, which is with Pullman double bunks. Okay, as you can see, they just moved the cupboard would normally be spaced forward of the beds. It's now spaced inboard to the side. So not a big compromise at all.